Hi, Eloise here. Hello. I want to let you know that I'm doing my annual kind of summer sale. Might be around my birthday, but I'm not. I'm ignoring my birthday now. I've decided I'm old enough to ignore it. My friends are not so keen on this, but it's quite funny. Anyway, that's a whole other topic. I'm going to do another week of offers. So, last year I gave 50% off. We'll see what I feel like this year. But I'm gonna pull out some of the older series that I've done, from the archives, and do some offers. Depending on what it is and how old it is, we might do different levels of sales. But every day for the week, beginning the 7th of July, Monday the 7th to the Friday the 11th of July, all 5 days, I'm going to be making you an offer on something special. So I don't know what it's going to be until I write the email for the days. So probably a couple of days before the 7th, I'll sit down and have a look and tune in and see what everyone needs. But it's quite a fun way of giving you access to some of the older things that I have in the archives. I have so many healing series and little meditations and little products and things inside Teachable that I've, some of them are actually switched off so that you can't even access them and grab them. So I might bring some of those out of the archives. I don't know, we'll see. Uh, but every day there'll be something different. So keep an eye out. You can grab them all if you want. You might just choose one or two. You might choose none of them. It's up to you. But I just wanted to let you know it's happening. So, yeah, but you have to be on my mailing list to get access to that offer. So basically every morning I will send you an email and go, today's offer is, and it will be available for 24 hours from when the email comes out, and then I will shut the doors on it. So I send my emails at 11 a.m. UK time. So you've got 24 hours to access each of them. And so basically they will be available for 24 hours every day until the next email goes out, and then that offer will cease to exist. So I don't know what I'm going to put in the mix for the 5 offers. If you've got a request, maybe tell me. But yeah, it's always a fun thing, and some of my clients wait till now to see what I offer. See if it's some of the things on their shopping list, if they come up. But yeah, it's really fun. So I'm going to tune in and see what would be fun and see what would contribute to everyone and give you a little birthday special rate. So always entertaining. Anyway, check out. I'll have the link below to join my mailing list, and yeah, come join in the birthday fun, and we'll see what we can create. Have a great day. Have a great week. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.